borrow from you. That's not hot. Tell them how you love being pop, cause you was so broke before, sleeping cold on a cot. You don't rock, you grab money. Your prop the spot and you grab the honey. It's about to get ugly. I don't even go to these bullshit kitty ass clubs. You wanna be a thug? Let's thug. First of all, soldiers speak to soldiers, captains speak to captains, lieutenant, cool. But your first mistake is you stepping to me, rookie, like you were OG and you just a runner, fool. Who really got these streets on lock? Whose name really holds high respect on the block? Who opened up these clubs and taught you how to mix? Who opened up these thugs from Compton to the bricks? I don't even sound like the rest of you kiddies. I study the ways of God, you studying titties and ass. I pity your class, cause you come out with a blast, but you trash, so you really don't last. They not hot, all they do is talk a lot. That's not hot. Where's your respect on the block? That's hot. Not cause you friends with the cops, that's not hot. A real MC, you're not. They not hot. All they do is talk a lot. That's not hot. Where's your respect on the block? That's hot. Not cause you friends with the cops, that's not hot. A real MC, you're not. This is hotter than heat, too deep. I'm on top of the streets, you weak. You ain't really rocking these beats, you at Fleet Bank. You dress straight, eat straight, but you a slave, Neo, you can't come up in the heat tank. G.O.D. we think, we watch what we sell. You better hope these Christians are wrong, cause you going to hell. Think about that when you spit in your rap, and you call out KRS up, put you flat on your back. You not hot, all you do is talk a lot. That's not hot. Where's your respect on the block? That's hot. Not cause you friends with the cops, that's not hot. A real MC, you're not. What's hot?
KRS-One,
that's hot. What's hot?
KRS-One,
that's hot. Who's hot?
KRS-One,
that's hot. Where's your respect on the block?
KRS-One, 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 KRS-One need to be running for office, so Butter Peak and Rican tell them to get off it.